morning everyone. Let's start our class. Okay students, see our next question is find the value of root 10 minus root 5 by 2 root 2 up to 3 decimals. So we have to find the value of this expression up to 3 decimals. And here also some values are given. Take root 2 equal to 1.414, root 3 equal to 1.732 and root 5 is equal to 2.236. Okay, by using these values we have to find these expression values. So given expression, write given expression first. So given root 10 minus root 5 by 2 root 2 is given. Okay, first of all we have to rationalize this expression. So first of all we have to rationalize the denominator of this expression. So I am taking a rationalizing factor for the root 2 root 2. Okay, rationalizing factor of 2 root 2 is same 2 root 2 only. Okay, so here only expression, no need to change, no need to take symbols, any symbols. Okay, so I am multiplying and dividing with that rationalizing factor. Root 10 minus root 5 by 2 root 2 into 2 root 2 by 2 root 2. Okay, now I am multiplying root 10 minus root 5 into 2 root 2, that equal to root 10 minus root 10 minus root 5 into 2 root 2 by 2 root 2 into 2 root 2. Okay, now see here. So root 10 minus root 5 into 2 root 2 means we have to multiply root 10 into 2 root 2 and also root 5 into 2 root 2. So root 10 into 2 root 2 equal to 2 root 2 into root 10 minus 2 root 2 into root 5 by, see here, 2 root 2 into 2 root 2, same numbers multiply, I am multiplying same numbers here, so we can write it as 2 root 2 whole square and 2 root 2 into root 10. See here, root a into root b, root a into root b, we know the formula root a into root b is equal to root over a into b. Okay, so 2 into root 2 into 10 minus 2 into root over 2 into 5 by, so whole square means 2 square and also root 2 square. 2 square means 2 square into root 2 square. I am writing it as 2 square into root 2 square. So 2 into root over 2 into 10 means root over 2 tens are 20 minus 2 into 5 means, okay, see here, we have root 2 and root 5 values. We have root 2 and root 5 values. So I am leaving this as root 2 into root 5. Okay, I am leaving this numbers as root 2 into root 5 by 2 square means 4 into root 2 whole square means 2. See here I am writing root over 20 as 4 into 5. Can we write 4 into 5 as minus 2 into root 2 into root 5 by 4 to 8. And see here, root over 4 means what? 2 square means 2. See here, root 4 equal to root 2 whole square means square root cancel and we have 2 only answer. So I am taking this 4 outside and it becomes 2 into root 5 minus 2 into root 2 into root 5 by 8. Okay, now see here, in numerator we have in common 2 and root 5. Okay, 2 and root 5. So I am taking common now 2 root 5. 2 root 5 I am taking common now. 2 root 5, if you take 2 root 5 we have 2 and minus root 2 by 8. చూడండి ఇక్కడ చూడండి 2 and root 5, 2 ని root 5 ని కామన్ గా తీసుకుంటే తీసేస్తే ఇక్కడ 2 మిగిలింది, ఇక్కడేమో root 2 మిగిలింది. సో మనకు మిగిలింది ఏంటి 2 మైనస్ root 2 వచ్చింది. ఇక్కడ 2 ని ఈ 8 ని క్యాన్సిల్ చేసేస్తున్నాం 4 టైమ్స్. సో మనకు మిగిలింది ఏముంది root 5 into 2 minus root 2 by 4 ఉంది. సో మనకి ఇక్కడ వాల్యూస్ ఉన్నాయి, √2 వాల్యూ ఉంది, √5 వాల్యూ ఉంది. సో √5 వాల్యూ ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు, 2.236 ఇచ్చాడు. సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసుకుంటున్నాను ఈ వాల్యూస్ ని. సో 2 మైనస్ √2 వాల్యూ 1.414 ఇచ్చాడు బై 4. సాల్వ్ చేస్తే ఇది 2.236 ఇంటూ 2 మైనస్ 1.414, 2 మైనస్ 1.414 సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ చేస్తే value is 6 here and 8 and here 5, so 0.586 by 4 we have. So multiply these two numbers now. These two numbers we have to multiply now. So I am taking multiplication here. 2.236 into 0.586. Okay students, so see here 6 6 are 36 and 3 is carry, 6 3 are 18, 18 plus 3 21, 2 is carry, 6 2 are 12 plus 2 14, 1 carry, 6 2 are 12 13, and our 8 6 are 48, 4 carry, and 8 3 are 24, 8 3 are 24, 24 plus 4 28, 2 carry, 8 2 are 16, 16 plus 2 18, 1 carry, 8 2 are 16, 16 plus 1 17. Okay, 5 6 are 33 carry, 18 here 1 carry, 1 is carry now, 5 2 is 10 11. So 6 9 12 and 12 plus 8 20, 2 carry, 2 plus 1 3 3 and 11 3 1. So what is the answer here? And 1 2 3 4 5 6 after 6 digits 1 2 3 4 5 6 means 1.310296 by 4. Okay, if you divide this we get answer as 0.732. okay, up to 3 decimals. Yeah, so I am taking only 3 decimals. మీకు ఇంకా ఆన్సర్లో కంటిన్యూగా వస్తుంది. సో 3 decimals అడిగారు కాబట్టి 3 decimals తీసుకుంటే సరిపోతుంది. ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, సో మీరు ఇది డివైడ్ చేయండి. Okay students, so answer is not 0.732, it is 0.327. okay, change the answer, it is 0.327. okay children, see here, simplify 1 by 7 plus 4√3 and plus 1 by 2 plus √5. So do this problem as homework. See here, how can you do it is simply first rationalize this number, means 1 by 7 plus 4√3. Take rationalizing factor for this number and next for this number, like 1 by 7 plus 4√3 into 7 minus 4√3 by 7 minus 4√3 plus 1 by 2 plus √5 into 2 minus √5 by 2 minus 2 √5. okay, at a time you have to do both for these two numbers. okay children, do this problem as homework. Thank you, bye, see you in next class.